Ladies and gentlemen, are you on a diet trying to eat healthy? Well, the Ohlone had the diet with fresh organic cookies.
The main tools we used to crush the acorns into flour were mortars and pestles. The Ohlone made them by shaping them in big rocks.
First, we used 2 rocks to crack open the nuts. Be careful because you also might crack your hand. Don't forget to throw away the rotten ones. Yuck!
Next, we took off the skin because it makes it taste bitter. We put the nuts in the basket and just shook them to take the skin off.
A good way to get the skin out of the basket is to pop the seeds up and let the wind blow away the skin. I'm a pro.
Once you have all your skinless acorns, you get to use the mortar and pestle to smash the acorns into flour. Make sure to hit directly in the middle or else it will break the pestle.
After we had the flour, we made a small basin out of wet sand and poured the flour in. Doing this, we were able to take out the bitterness. Surprisingly, no flour was left in the sand.
Finally, when you are officially done with the processing and the flour can be used for many functions. Because we were hungry, we made acorn cookies.
They're delicious!